Welcome to CGMA's Intro to FX Using Houdini course. If you dream about working as an FX artist for movies like Avengers, Deadpool, and Harry Potter, being able to produce realistic explosions, fluid sims, eruction plays a huge role in these films. This course is designed to focus on VFX that are commonly called for in the film industry today. We will go over procedural modeling, fluid effects, particles effects, rigid body destruction, smoke, and lighting and rendering. Each week, we will focus on a certain procedural aspect while maintaining a wider perspective of Houdini's incredible capabilities. This course will strengthen your practical knowledge in VFX and give you a greater understanding of Houdini's common uses in VFX companies. Here's what you will learn. Week 1. Powerful approaches to grouping and SOPs. In-depth, copy SOP. Copy stamping techniques. In-depth, for loops and for each SOP. Avoiding object intersections with for loops, stop condition, and intersect SOP. Using for each blocks to create a multi-threaded copy SOP. Introduction to compile blocks. Week 2 is an introduction to point cloud procedures in CVAX, using for each and copy SOP approaches to procedurally model a riverbed. Closer look at the ray SOP, skin SOP, creating UVs. Unified noise and attribute VOP. Implementing object avoidance for rocks with workflow from week number 1. Use SOP workflows to model the base of a stone tower using for each and copy SOP. Introduction to procedural SOP techniques to create the tower's windows and floors. Week 3. We will start exploring different procedural model techniques and SOPs. Create the tower's battlement geometry. Create a complex system to cut holes in the tower for door and windows. A first look into problem solving when working around limitations of Houdini. Setting up a master null in order to add animation controls to modify the tower's properties. Polybevel SOP on how to deal with corrupt geometry. Creating UVs for the tower and UV layout workflow. Week 4. We will start creating a complex multi-layered magic particle simulation that includes working with noises and VOPs, writing advanced CVEX code in an SOP solver in order to create secondary lightning branches, using an SOP solver for particle generation and distribution, introducing the prime move function in VEX for particles to follow splines, generating impact sparks, energy particles, and a very dense silty particle pass. Week 5. Using Voronoi SOP to create wood splinters for the tower's door, creating a system to use lightning bolt particles that trigger the RBD activation, using a volumetric scalar field to activate RBD objects, setting up constraints and SOPs using connect adjacent pieces SOP, and adding constraint attributes. Pre-fracturing the stone tower, rigid body dynamics, destroy the tower asset while learning about art directing RBDs. Advanced manipulation of constraints in an SOP solver. Creating custom forces with pop wrangles and CVEX to control RBD objects. Using CVEX to create a custom sleeping system to optimize simulation times. Week 6. We will use CVEX and point clouds functions to define smoke emission areas. Using CVEX to interpolate the emission points for fast-moving objects. Creating a smoke source. Setting up a clustering system with dynamic DOP net start frame. Generate a smoke simulation to enhance the tower destruction effect. Creating and caching of the collider objects. Dynamic container resizing. First look at gas microsolvers such as gas match field, gas field wrangle, gas blur, gas calculate. Volume compression and caching wedges to disk. Importing wedges using a for loop and Python. Custom gas disturbance workflow for fractal-like detail. Week 7. Setting up a shader for the character using the principled shader. Exploring different lights in Houdini, for example, environment light for HDRI. Using the material shader builder to create a custom displacement material for the tower. Creating shaders for the door and environment. Using the geometry light for interactive particle lighting. Setting up particle shaders. First look at Mantra, Houdini's render engine. Rendering the tower scene including particles, RBD, and smoke. Bonus content, using COPs for basic compositing of render passes. Week 8. Using procedural techniques to create the main flip particle source. Setting up, examining, and tweaking the flip solver. Adding a pre-roll particle source to decrease simulation times. Setting up an additional emitter to add control over water level. using gas microsolvers and SOP scalar fields in order to control gas turbulence and gas vortex confinement, creating a complex system for custom splashes around bigger rocks using SOPs, Pop VOP, and Pop Wrangle, using noise functions in CVEX, setting up colliders for flip simulations, caching to disk using Fluid Compress SOP. Week 9. Detailed look at Particle Fluid Surface SOP for flip meshing and caching. Introduction to the Whitewater Source SOP. Setting up clustering and wedging for whitewater simulation. First look at whitewater solver and emitter in DOPs. Breaking up foam using a custom Pop VOP. Manipulating the whitewater solver for custom particle coarsification in SOP solver. Deleting leaking particles. Importing whitewater wedges. Advanced post-simulation point manipulation techniques for whitewater particles. For the next 9 weeks, you will have industry's best artists as your mentors, allowing you to rapidly improve your skills by having access to industry-standard training and information in a one-on-one mentoring environment. Each week, you will have access to pre-recorded content that you will be able to access and review at any time, followed with a challenging homework assignment that will be reviewed weekly by your mentor, allowing you to master the skills needed to get into the industry. Once a week, you will also have a live Q&A session where you can interact with your mentor and ask any question. The live Q&A will be recorded and you will have access to it at any time. I really hope you enjoy this course, and the CGMA team is excited to see what you will come up with. Register today at cgmasteracademy.com.